Unfreeze before you cook. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in the kitchen, especially on food packaging. Thaw before cooking. This might seem straightforward to some, but for English language learners, understanding these instructions is crucial for both safety and culinary success. Let's break it down together. First things first, let's talk about what thaw means. To thaw something means to allow it to warm up from a frozen state until it's no longer frozen. It's the process of turning ice into water or making frozen food soft and ready to cook. When you see thaw on food packaging, it's telling you to bring the food from its frozen state to a more natural, cookable state without ice crystals. You might wonder why many food items insist on being thawed before they're cooked. There are a few reasons for this. Firstly, thawing helps in even cooking. Frozen food can cook unevenly, with some parts overcooking while others remain cold or even frozen. Secondly, certain cooking methods require food to be thawed to absorb flavors or seasoning properly. Lastly, for safety reasons, some foods need to be thoroughly thawed to eliminate harmful bacteria that might not be destroyed if parts of the food remain too cold during cooking. Thawing isn't just about leaving your food out on the counter. There are safer methods to do this. The refrigerator method is the safest, where you transfer your food from the freezer to the fridge and let it thaw slowly, usually overnight. This method keeps the food at a safe temperature, reducing the risk of bacteria growth. Another method is the cold water method, where you keep the food in a sealed bag and submerge it in cold water, changing the water every 30 minutes to ensure it remains cold. Lastly, if you're short on time, there's the microwave method, using your microwave's defrost setting. However, food thawed this way should be cooked immediately after thawing. Planning is key when it comes to thawing food. Since some methods, like the refrigerator method, can take a long time, sometimes up to a day for large items like a turkey, it's important to plan your meals ahead. Always check the label for thawing instructions and give yourself enough time to thaw food safely. Remember, rushing the thawing process or skipping it can lead to food safety issues and unsatisfactory meals. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding and executing the phrase, thaw before cooking. Remember, thawing is an essential step in preparing many frozen foods, ensuring they cook evenly, taste better, and are safe to eat. We hope this video has shed some light on why and how to properly thaw food. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.